Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to build a calculator app using ChatGPT in just a few minutes. You're gonna write over here create obviously calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So after that, once you write that, remember to enter at the end separate file. So separate files, so it will create different codings for different HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's enter and let's wait it out. Let's see what ChatGPT would provide us and how it would provide us. So you can see over here, this is PHP HTML file and it indicates us from over here, as you can see, index.html, and we can see obviously ChatGPT is working on it and it might take some time, so let's wait it out. So as you can see, it has been done, and on the top you will have your JavaScript file separately, which we have mentioned, right? CSS file, and we have HTML file over here. So these are the codings which you can use for your simple arithmetic, obviously for calculator app. So now what? Where we will use this, right? So obviously we are going to use a coding application or software, you can say that. So I prefer go to your new tab and visual search Visual Studio Code, and once you search this, it's very very easy to understand, and once you download it from over here, I don't think it's that big, maybe in just MBs, and once you download it you can see the interface like this. And let me open this from my computer, and here we are. As you can see, this is the Visual Studio Code, and you will have some options over here like explore, control shift E. These are obviously shortcuts. We have search and every single thing, but obviously we are not going to talk about Visual Studio Code. We need to add our HTML coding and CSS and all those things which we have done. And what you need to do, you need to open your open editor folder. So how you can find that? Obviously you can now find over here, we have only no folder open, outline and timeline. You will see these three dots, click on that, you will have your open editors over here. Once you done that, go to your new file, click on file and click on new file. So what it does, it will create a file for you. So what you need to do before you paste that coding over here, click on this and you need to write index over here .html, and after that enter this. What happens that it will ask you like yeah, do you need to like save this file to your computer? So obviously yes. Once you enter this, you can see it will ask you, and I'm gonna save this to my desktop and create file. So once you've done that, you will see that it will show where my file is and where, like, how you can save that. So right now it has been saved. So you need to go back to your obviously your Google Chrome and copy this all, only HTML by the way. So because we have created only HTML file right over here, and after that just simply come over here and paste. Simple is that. So after that, you need to see that on the top left you have like one unsaved. So if you open this, we haven't saved this. Obviously we have just pasted it, but we didn't save this file. So control S, with the simple control S, and now it's saved, and on the top left you can see it has been gone. So what happens now if I open that file now? So now you can see this is my file which we have saved from obviously on Visual Studio Code. If I open this now, you will see that we have our, like, obviously starting up and it's starting to create, but obviously there is no styling and every single thing. Obviously we are going to work on this, so you get the idea that it start building right now. Right now what you need to do, so the second thing is you need to go at file over here again and click on new file. So right now we are going to create style.ss, so style.css, sorry. And once you done that, click on enter. Obviously it will ask you where to save, and save that file, and here we are. After that, go to your coding and you can see this is our CSS file. Copy that, go back to Visual Studio, and over here obviously control V, and here we are. And after that obviously it will say that one unsaved. Click like control S for saving it, right? Once you done that, and it has been done. After that, open that file again. So as you can see, our calculator is looking way better than before. Rather than going in like a horizontal line, it's now like obviously styled up because we added style. And as you can see, it is available over here, and it's the same text, same index.html. Why? Because we created HTML, and then after that we have added CSS, which is for styling. So we just did a styling over here. After that, to make it working, we need to create JavaScript file also. So there are three files which you need to do, right? So what you need to do, you need to go back to your Visual Studio again, go to file, new file, and obviously script.js. Enter. It will ask you where to save that file, and after that go back to your obviously your ChatGPT. And obviously we have already asked this all separately, so we have our JavaScript file also over here. Copy this code just by one click, go back to your Visual Studio, and simply uh, paste this from over here, or obviously control V. So I'm gonna paste this, control S. Just remember to save it. Obviously on the top left you will see that one unsaved, and you can see this icon too, that gray dot. You can see that over here, and it shows you that it's not saved. And if you click one control S over here, you can see it has gone. So now the last thing, obviously we are going to check this over here again. So you can just open that same file index.html, or you can just refresh if you have already opened that. So obviously we are going to check it out that it is working or not, because we have also added styling and script behind to work this calculator. So let's see, 5 plus 4 plus 5 9, right? And yes, it is working. 5 multiplied by 5 25, I guess. Yep. So now there you have it. This is all has been done with the help of ChatGPT. You can see how powerful ChatGPT is, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you and you learned something new today. And please feel free to leave the comment in like anything you want to ask, any queries you want to ask, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching this video.